Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make chilli rice. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a thick bottomed pan over low flame. Now add 1 small piece of cinnamon, 4 cloves and 1 star anise. Sauté this for a few seconds and add 3 chopped red chillies. Sauté this for some time and add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Sauté this for a few seconds and add 3 tablespoons of water and a little salt. Cook this till the water reduces to 1 tablespoon. Now add half a teaspoon of grated nutmeg and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix well. Add 2 cups of cooked rice. Sauté this over high flame for 1 minute and turn off the flame. Simple chilli rice is ready to serve. This will go nice with puppet, pickle or omelette. Please try it out and post your feedback.